4, 3, 2, 1, go! And away they go. And then there's difficulty. It's giving Alex a chance to get ahead, and there's Chris with the win, followed by Alex. Triple. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! And the winner is TJ on the inside. Steve on the outside. TJ out front, John on the back fence, and Steve's looking to cut the inside. TJ keep it. TJ taking the wide angle, but taking the headlock. Still keeping a push. He's going about half a lap behind, and TJ's not by that one. Josh looks like he's faster than the world. He's good. TJ's going for second. Who's the start for finish line first? John is first, followed by TJ, and Steve following up in the back. This is Alex and CJ, and they're going to start here. We're going to count them down. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Alex out front, early lead, CJ right behind him. CJ out in front, Alex looking to catch up now. The track's getting soft, they're making good ground. Who can get there? Alex having a tough time for that corner, always going wide. CJ just going hard, pushing through it. bit, and Alex working hard to catch up. Already on lap 5, 3 more laps to go. CJ with a significant lead. CJ on his last lap. One more turn to go and he will have won it. There's lap 8. Robert. Hey, Robert. And there we go. CJ for the win.
Congratulations, CJ Smith from Caledon, Ontario.
3, 2, 1, go! There's Chris. Can he keep it? Jaws already shot past the last time. Can he do it again? Can CJ keep him jammed like that? John, cut the fight. Chris, cut the fight out. Chris made a good half ahead. They're already in the last fight. John, get ahead of Chris, well on the front. John's in front of CJ. How did he do it? No one knows. He's assisting. And we're into the last lap. We're on the last lap. And we got a clear winner. Chris Bryant across the finish line with a big win.
Give him a round of applause.
Followed by John Bates and CJ Smith. That's an excellent job.
Yeah, well done. Just a heartfelt condolences to the Knight family. Chris is driving in memory of his brother Trevor. Right? Our condolences to the Knight family.